welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Today I'm just going to be kind of reviewing what I received from Makeup Revolution. So I wanted to try their Cut Crease Canvas and their Conceal and Define concealer. Hope you guys can see this. First, I'm going to be trying on the Revolution Cut Crease base. And I'm going to be comparing that to the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. Yeah, this is my son's song in the background. So I'm going to leave his link below. So check him out on iTunes. He's really good. Check him out. I'm also going to be trying on the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. And this is in the color 12.5. So this is like the in-between colors they came out with. And it looks like it's kind of close to my skin tone, but I'm going to be trying that on. So this is my first time trying these products from Makeup Revolution. Okay, so this one, the cut crease one, it comes with a brush. So the brush looks like the brush is kind of thick. I don't know. Looks kind of thick. So, and this is in the color Create. Pretty light color, but I'm just using it, you know, as an eyeshadow base and a cut crease. So let's see. So first I'm going to use it as a base. Yeah, it's real liquidy. Yeah. Very light. Ooh, lordy. I'm going to take my Lexi 229 tapered blending brush and I'm going to blend that out. And I'm going to see how quick it dries. Okay. And this is not a full makeup video, I'm just trying it on. Wow, it's light. Okay, now let's see how it dries. Okay, so now the other eye, I'm going to compare that to my MAC Paint Pots in Painterly. Most definitely a little bit darker, but both of them are still light. I'm going to make sure I try on some eyeshadow on top of it just so you guys can see that as well. Okay. And I wiped this brush off real good of the other one, so. Okay. Things are pretty cool. Let's see. So this one is creasing. This feels a little bit stickier. And this is more on the concealer side, so I'm kind of sure this would be perfect for a cut crease. And it's full coverage. You can tell it's full coverage. Let's see. It seems like it's kind of drying down kind of quick. And of course the paint pot, I feel like it's drying down pretty quick. I know this one dries down quick, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna try some eyeshadow on it. Just to see how it blends and all that good stuff. So let's see. Put this in the crease. I just want to see how it compares to my paint pot I always use. Oh, the colors are most definitely brighter. Oh my gosh. So the colors seem to be brighter. Oh, it blends good. It doesn't oxidize. That is a plus. And of course, I'm used to this. I just want to compare, which I can tell the Makeup Revolution side is brighter than my MAC Paint Pot. I like it. So can y'all tell the difference? So now let's try to cut crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to cut crease. I'm gonna try it with this brush just to see how it does. Most definitely feels thick. The glass on so smooth. The brush is kind of thick though, so yeah, it's working really good. I think I put too much on though, oh my gosh. You don't need this much, guys. A bit too much. Woo! Okay, so as I can tell, this one glides on smoother, and this one is a little bit thicker to work with. Okay, so this one, I guess I put too much liquid on and it's taking a long time to dry. But I can tell it's drying down. But I put too much. And I just noticed I'm actually doing a look like I'm supposed to be doing a look. Just trying it out. So I'm not even worried about trying to get the cut crease neat. But I just want to try it out just to see, and the brush and all that. So it seemed to be pretty cool. Okay, so this one dries down quicker. Probably because I didn't put that much. So now let's try this side. Don't look like it's dry, but yeah, it's not drying. So let's see how the color pack on there. Oh, okay, okay. Kind of notice the difference. This side just pops more. I think I'm gonna like this, y'all. And it was cheap. Like, it's nothing but $6. $6, like for real. And a lot of people compare that to the P. Louise, but I haven't tried the P. Louise. So I heard it's in comparison of the P. Louise. If y'all want to try it, $6, Makeup Revolution. So I'm just comparing it to my MAC Paint Pot because that's what I usually use for a concealer. Ooh, this color is definitely popping. Okay. So yeah, I'm seeing a difference, y'all. I'm seeing a difference. This side is popping more. The color's popping more on this side. It's still popping, but not as much as this side, as y'all can see. The thing about it is it doesn't dry down as quick as my MAC Paint Pot does, but this is more of a liquid and the MAC Paint Pot is more of like a gel type. So It's a difference. This is more like of a concealer type, and I'm liking it, y'all. I like it. It's even a little applicator that came inside of the little cut crease brush. It's pretty cool. It's a little bit thicker to my liking of doing a cut crease, but it does the job. The weight of the bottle is 0.15 fluid ounces, 4.5 milliliters. So that's pretty good for $6, y'all. You have to try their concealer. Yeah, this is most definitely more my skin tone. So let's see. Have a little funny smell, but it's nothing too like strong. I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. And it's out really good. Look at that. Guess I blend out the other side with a brush just to see the difference. Wow, I like it. Look how good it matches my skin tone. Okay, so with the brush, it blends out really good too. I like this concealer. I'm just gonna have to get it in a lighter color so I can use it as my highlight, because when I do my makeup, you know, when I use concealer in my eyes, I like to use a lighter color for my highlight, so I usually do that. This can be like a little quick little something if I need like some little quick concealer. I just put in my eyes real quick, some mascara, and just go on. But because it matches my skin tone good. Well, I don't know how I look on camera, but I'm looking in the mirror and stuff. It looks good. I'm gonna do a wear test for this, so I'm gonna leave this on. I can only do it for a couple of hours because I got another video I have to do. So I'm gonna leave it on for a couple of hours and come back just to see if it creased or whatever. I'm not gonna set it with no powder or anything. I just want to see. Be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's been a couple of hours, so you can see that the concealer, it's not really, well, it didn't crease actually. I mean, my eyes usually, you know, my eyes usually does this up under my eyes, so it's really good. It dries down really good. It's not drying or cakey or anything. And the cut crease canvas is awesome as well, especially for the price, y'all. So I will make sure I'll leave their link in the description below so you guys can check them out. Makeup Revolution. So I know they have plenty more products out there, but I just wanted to try these two, their concealer and the cut crease canvas. So it's a winner for me, y'all. So y'all be seeing them in my videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me trying on these two amazing products from Makeup Revolution. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Be blessed. Bye.